Let's look at expanding brackets using Pascal's triangle. Example 1. Use Pascal's triangle to expand 5x plus 3 to the power of 4. First thing to do is notice that the power is 4, so that means we need to draw Pascal's triangle down to when we have a 4. And these numbers here are the numbers that are going to go in front of each of our terms in the expansion. Write these numbers going down your page. So 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. And then we're going to expand the brackets using a particular pattern. Start with the 5x here. Next to the 1, I'm going to put 5x to the power of 4. Next to the 4, I'm going to put 5x to the power of 3. Underneath that, 5x squared, then 5x to the power of 1, then 5x to the power of 0. Hopefully you can see that the pattern is going down. That's our first part there with the 5x. Next, we're going to look at the 3, and we're going to continue the pattern. This time, it's going to be 3 to the power of 0 to start with, and then we're going to increase the power by 1 each time until we get to 3 to the power of 4. So that was for the 3, and the pattern is that the powers increase by 1 each time. Quick check here is to check that each set of powers add up to 4. 4 is a special number in this example because the original power was 4. Once you have this written out, you can just simplify each term as you go along. So the final answer will be 625x to the power of 4 plus 1500x cubed plus 1350x squared plus 540x plus 81. As an example, to get the 625, you can type this in your calculator. 1 times 5 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 0. And that comes from that first bit of working out there. Then it's x to the power of 4 because that's the power of x in that line. Example 2, the coefficient of the x to the power of 4 term in the expansion of a plus 2x to the power of 5 is 400. Work out the value of a. So in this case, the power is 5. So we'll draw Pascal's triangle down to when we have a 5. Those will be the numbers to start off our pattern. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. And then we can start the pattern off by thinking about the first term there, so a. That means it will be a to the power of 5, a to the power of 4, and so on, going down. And then the second part is 2x. So when we put that in, it will be 2x to the power of 0, 2x to the power of 1, and so on. Now for this question, we're only interested in the coefficient of the x to the power of 4 term. So if we think about it, that would be here times 2x to the power of 4. Therefore, we don't actually need to fill in the details of all the other parts. We can just focus on that one line because that's the one we're interested in. And if we focus on that one line, we've got 5 times a times 2 to the power of 4. All of that would be in front of the x to the power of 4. And according to the question, that's equal to 400x to the power of 4. If we tidy this up, that's 80a x to the power of 4 equals 400x to the power of 4. Therefore, 80a equals 400, and that means a equals 5. And that's it. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do share this with anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks, and see you next time.